Hello students, for standard 7 in last period number 12 we have seen as a revision chapter number 1 parts of speech. Now we are going to see period number 13 exercise. This exercise given what? Identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. Before solving this exercise we have seen that there are 8 types of parts of speech which are called word classes: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So first sentence, see here, children form, they are supposed to be clever. So in this sentence students, children is a what? Noun. Yes, it is what? Noun, which is a name of a person. Then second one, what? Clever. Clever is an adjective. What is adjective? Adjective describes a noun or pronoun by adding some information about it. So that is called adjective. Second line, Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. Correctly is an adverb. Why it is adverb? Adverb modifies a verb. It is modifying. See here, verb what is answer. So this to the verb answer correctly is helping or it is modifying. That's why correctly is a adverb. And appreciation is a noun. Yes, it is as working as a name of a person, place and animal or a thing, you can say. Third one, her simple appearance belied a sharp and a nimble brain. Simple and sharp, these both are called adjective. Why it is adjective? Because it's describing, what is it? Describing a noun or what? Pronoun. See here, it is describing pronoun. What given here? Her. Yes, see these both words are describing about the her pronoun. That's why this simple and sharp both words are called what? Adjective. Next one, fourth, they set off on the long journey back to the forest. On is a what? Preposition. Why it is preposition? See students, if you are studying preposition, means what? Preposition is a word which is with the what? Noun, which is coming before, you can say noun, and which is showing relationship with someone. So here on is related to what? Noun, what? Journey. On the long journey. So on is showing relation with the journey. That's why on is a preposition. And back it is a adverb. Why it is adverb? Because it is modifying, or you can say it is describing also, you can say, or you can say in generally what? Helping to verb. What? Which is here verb here? They set off. Set here. Set is a verb. So back is helping to what? Or modifying to verb set. That's why it back is what? Called verb. Understood? Then next 5 number, we are sending you the official invitation today. Official is a adjective. It is a adjective. It comes before the invitation. It's a noun and official. Okay, official is a what? Adjective, which is describing. And today is a adverb. Why today? It's a adjective which is which is a adverb, and that today word is helping to what? Verb. What is here verb? Sending, right? So it is helping to verb sending. That's why it is called adverb. Next one, 6 number, our ideas is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. Our is what? Adjective. In short, I have written here students ADJ. You will write in properly adjective. Next one, our is a adjective. Social is also what? Adjective, you can say. The next 7th number, this trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive. Exorbitantly is a what? Adverb. Why it is adverb? Because it is modifying verb, or you can say it is helping to adjective or another adverb. So now it is modifying verb. That's why it is called adverb. Understood students? Yes. So in this way we have seen 8 parts of speech for these sentences which are called word classes, and you are going to write in your notebook these 7 sentences and it's what? 8 parts of speech, whatever it is, and remaining more example also we'll see our next period. Till you write in your notebook, take a photo and send to my WhatsApp number with your name and subject name. Thank you students.